Hi UNV 101 students. This screencast is to show you how to complete your assignment in UNV 101 where you need to email your professor. Of course, remember, you're not actually emailing a professor other than your UNV 101 professor. So I'm on my Miami page and I wanted to show you a couple things there. First of all, a lot of students always say, I don't know my instructor's email address. Well, first of all, it's always on your syllabus. So if you have your syllabus, you will have the email address. Second, if you go down on your main page and you see your list of classes, there's going to be a link there for your instructor. You don't see the links here, and that's because I'm a teacher, instructor, professor, not a student. But from a student's perspective, it will list the name of your professor along with a link to their email. Another way you can find the email is to use a search feature. And so you can type in the last name of your professor. Let's say it's Smith, and I picked that just to make it kind of tricky. And let's say, okay, that's a lot of Smiths. So I'm going to look for the first name. I'm going to look for Matthew Smith, who is actually a history professor at the regionals. And I'm going to search for Matthew Smith, and there's still two of them. But if I look close, this one's a student, wrong one. This one's a faculty. And if I really want to make sure, I can take a look at his information and say, oh yeah, assistant professor, humanities. History is a humanities, so it's all good. All right. So let me go back to my screen. So you probably have another way to get into your email since it's a Google account. But if no other way, you go to your Quick Tools and click on your email. Okay, I'm going to compose a message. And in the to column, remember, you are going to type the email address of your UNV 101 professor. Okay, so I have students who will be emailing me because I'm one of the UNV 101 professors. So they will find me, Kelly Brown. They're going to pick a good subject heading, right? So how about got a question? Yeah, no, not good. Don't actually pick that. And I also asked, just so you know how to CC. CC means that you're giving a carbon copy. So you're courtesy copying somebody else on the email. And I just want you to know where that function is. And I'm asking you to courtesy copy or carbon copy yourself. So you would type your own email address here, right? Again, fill in a subject, one that's appropriate. Make sure you use a salutation, a nice body, and then end your email with something appropriate, and then click send. And that's it.